Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're looking at the Blustream DA22OPT, and our mission is to figure out if this one little box can really solve a huge AV headache.
Oh, absolutely.
Getting that old school optical audio to play nicely with a modern Dante network.
And it really is the hero of that story. I mean, think about it. You have a great CD player, maybe a sound bar, that only has that optical SPDIF output.
Right, a legacy device.
And your whole facility is now on a Dante network. Before something like this, that optical source was just stranded.
Okay, so let's break down the architecture. It's essentially a bidirectional translator, right?
It is, yeah. A complete two-way street. It can encode the two-channel optical signal onto the network.
And at the same time, it can decode a Dante signal coming off the network back into optical.
Exactly. You've got your RJ45 port for the Dante network, and then the two optical TOSLINK ports for input and output.
And I saw something really clever in the spec sheet. You can route the SPDIF input directly to the output.
You can, yeah, straight through the Dante controller software. You can just bind that connection and, well, it basically becomes an optical repeater if that's all you need.
That's some serious flexibility. Now, this is where it gets really interesting for me, networking-wise. It doesn't just speak Dante.
No, and this is critical. It's also compatible with AES67 RTP audio transport.
Which, if you connect that to the bigger picture, is a huge deal.
It is. AES67 is like the universal translator for IP audio. It guarantees that this device can talk to other non-Dante systems. It ensures true interoperability.
So you're not sacrificing fidelity to cross that bridge from optical to IP.
Not at all. It handles some serious audio quality. We're talking sample rates up to 96 kilohertz and bit depths up to 32-bit. It covers everything.
Let's get into the pro features then, the things that really matter in an install. It has configurable Dante latency with 5 different options.
It does. 2, 3, 4, 5, or 10 milliseconds.
Isn't having that many options just an invitation for configuration problems on a big job?
That's a great question. But in the Pro AV world, that granular control is, well, it's essential.
To prevent sync issues.
Exactly. To stop audible drift and make sure every single endpoint is perfectly timed. Different networks need different settings.
That makes sense. Beyond timing, you also get gain management, right?
Yes, and this is so important. You get adjustable input sensitivity and output gain.
What's the range on that?
From a plus 6 dB boost all the way down to an at a 24 dB cut. You need that, because consumer SPDIF level can be way off from what a professional Dante system expects. This balances it all out.
Okay, let's talk about just installing the thing. Because for all this complex network gear, the physical box is tiny.
It's remarkably small, isn't it? About 120 millimeters long.
And deployment is simple.
Couldn't be easier. It's plug and play, and it's powered by Class 0 PoE.
So for you, the installer, that just means one cable for data and power from the network switch. No separate power brick to worry about.
Precisely. Though if you don't have PoE, it does have inputs for a 12-volt supply or even 5-volt USB. And all the configuration is just done in a simple web GUI.
So to wrap this all up, the DA22OPT, which comes with a 5-year warranty, by the way, is this small, super flexible tool. It's designed to make sure your high-quality legacy gear doesn't just end up in a closet because it uses an optical cable.
It's more than just a converter, it's an adaptability tool. It removes one of the last major roadblocks to a full AV over IP migration.
And it makes you think, doesn't it? When you get this level of control latency gain protocol on every single device, from a tiny adapter to a massive router, it changes the very definition of an audio system.
Yeah, it does.
You're not locked into fixed inputs and outputs anymore. You're building a truly flexible fabric of audio where every single point on the network is fully adaptable. You get to keep the best of the past without sacrificing the future.